Rise beautiful souls. Welcome to Nature by Nairas Art. Check out the YouTube channel Nature by Nairas Art for more Nairas Art productions, Nairas Art Beats music videos, and Nature by Nairas Art spiritual movies. While you're here, please support the channel. Donate or order one of my services and products via info@nairasart@gmail.com. The rest of my information is at the bottom of the video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Listening to our intuition was once a given for us. It was a gift we possessed and trusted completely. It was our minds that warned us of danger or when something felt particularly good. There was no question about not taking our intuition seriously. The soulless had to find a way to disrupt our intuition, otherwise they couldn't trick us and enslave us. The only way to manipulate our intuition was for them to put on an act. They tried to imitate emotions so they could create a sense of doubt, disrupting our natural gift of strong intuition, our protection. And then manipulation entered our lives. And there came a time when we stopped taking our intuition seriously. Just because someone says they didn't do it with a straight face doesn't make it true. Yet, in this way, they managed to gain the trust of the people and enslave us, without us realizing it. And that's precisely why I think it's important that we start believing again and fully trusting our intuition. Teach your children early to trust their intuition again. It is the greatest protection from danger. It protects you from places you shouldn't go and people you shouldn't confide in. From now on, let's take our intuition seriously again and not let our thoughts fool us into thinking we've misunderstood something. It's the parasite in your mind that wants to keep you from using your gifts. If you feel someone is lying to you, then they are lying to you. If you know someone thinks you're crazy for confronting them about something, or if they tell you you're whining when you point out something you don't like and your feelings change, trust your intuition. The person isn't good for you and is manipulating you. Never give someone a chance to tell you their side of the story when you know they're lying. Your intuition has been enough evidence. And don't let yourself be manipulated again by giving the person another chance to lie to you and play with your intuition. This way, you'll rebuild a connection with your own intuition, and you'll trust it completely again. And never dwell on the negative feeling you were experiencing. It was a rescue, not a punishment. Don't let your feelings define you for the rest of the day. Dance it out after you've felt it, confided in yourself, and let it go. Celebrate it by enjoying the music. Give it a try, it feels good again. We must strengthen the first powerful gift we possess so that no one can manipulate us anymore. There will always be people who want to test you. Let them make fools of themselves. It's important to take it seriously again so that no one can manipulate us into bending to their rules. Once we live in freedom again, no one can ever manipulate us again. It's a superpower, trust it, and remove manipulators from your life without explanation. You owe them nothing. want to thank everyone for watching and listening. I hope this has helped me light a few more candles in some beautiful souls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Nature by Nairas Art. Thank you, and until next time, bye bye.